Welcome to KSRIS Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 24th November 2021. India, US commit to linking economies across sectors. So United States and India committed to integrating their economies across sectors to harness the untapped potential of the bilateral trade at the Trade Policy Forum. సో యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్ ఇంకా ఇండియా వాళ్ళ bilateral relationships ని ఎన్హాన్స్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు by coordinating economically across sectors at the Trade Policy Forum. So Trade Policy Forum అంటే it is where they discuss and resolve issues relating to trade and investment. ట్రేడ్ అండ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ లో వచ్చే ఇష్యూస్ అని ఈ ఫోరంలో డిస్కస్ చేసుకొని రిజాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటారు. So they decided to activate working groups of the Trade Policy Forum on agriculture, non-agriculture goods, services, investment, and intellectual property, and to meet frequently and address issues of mutual concern in a mutual beneficial manner. So ఇందులో ఏమన్నా issues వచ్చినా కూడా వీళ్ళు frequent గా మీటింగ్స్ పెట్టుకొని కలిసి అండ్ మ్యూచువల్లీ ఇద్దరికి బెనిఫిట్ అయ్యే మేనర్లో they will be taking decisions. The idea is to deliver tangible benefits to farmers and businessmen of both the countries by resolving outstanding market access issues. So market access issues ni solve chestu both farmers and businessmen ki they're trying to deliver benefits. The forum has decided to forge an agreement to facilitate US market access for mangoes, grapes, and pomegranates, arils from India, and reciprocate with similar access in the Indian market to cherries, pork products, alfalfa hay for animal fed from United States. So they will be exchanging these items and giving them market access. New crypto bill seeks to ban private players. So Union government will introduce the bill to regulate cryptocurrency and ban all private cryptocurrencies. So Union government will be passing a bill in order to control cryptocurrency flow in the country, and also it bans all the private players in cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency and it is digital currency. Bitcoin example. And so the cryptocurrency and regulation of official currency bill 2021, which is yet to be introduced. So it facilitates a framework for the issuance and creation of cryptocurrencies by Reserve Bank of India. Glacier changed track 20,000 years ago. So scientists say that nearly 20,000 years ago, a 5-kilometer long Himalayan glacier abruptly changed course and over time fused into an adjacent glacier in present-day Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand. So scientists prakaram 20,000 years ago, a Himalayan glacier which was 5 kilometers long, the abrupt course changes kundi. Course is nothing but direction. And over time కొన్ని రోజులు అయ్యాక it got combined with adjacent glacier which is present in Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand. So this study, it appears in Journal of Geosciences, and it assesses that the glacier has been affected by active fault and climate change. So climate change ఇంకా earthquakes వల్ల ఈ glacier అనేది ఎఫెక్ట్ అయిందని చెప్పి ఈ స్టడీ చెప్తుంది. And this also adds evidence to the inherent instability of the Himalayan region. So ఈ study కూడా it proves the instability in the region of Himalayas. And the underlying tectonic plates is nothing but Earth's crust, where different processes take place. So tectonic plates kuda, they are not stable and frequently experience earthquakes and landslides. Thank you.